Students, welcome back to our next class. In this class, we have done our science work. In our previous class, we start lesson number 2 of our science work. Today, our topic is lesson number 2. Topic is health and hygiene. And make a heading of part C. In our previous work, we have done question number 1 and question number 2 of part C. Now we start writing the question number 3. Are the students ready your copies? I write the question number 3. The third question is, what diseases are caused by virus? What diseases are caused by virus? We write the name of diseases that are caused by virus. We write the name of diseases that are caused by virus. Now I write the answer of this question. Virus can cause diseases. Virus can cause diseases. Diseases like common cold, influenza, bird flu, swine flu, and polio. All these diseases are caused by virus. Again, I revise the answer of this question. What diseases are caused by virus? Virus की वजह से कौन सी बीमारियां पैदा होती हैं? Virus can cause diseases like common cold, fever, बुखार जो हमें होता है, influenza, जुकाम, bird flu and swine flu and polio. Common cold, influenza, bird flu, swine flu and polio. All these diseases are caused by virus. I hope all of you understand. All these diseases are caused by virus. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand and also note down this in your copies. Now I write the next question. The next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is name some waterborne diseases caused by bacteria. Name some waterborne diseases caused by bacteria. Okay, students. In this question, we write the names of diseases which are caused by waterborne. When we drink contaminated water, that is dirty water, not clean water, we fall in many diseases. In this question, we write the name of diseases that are caused due to the drinking of dirty and contaminated water. Is it clear? Now I write the answer of this question. Diseases like cholera, typhoid, jaundice, and diarrhea. Diseases like cholera, typhoid, jaundice, and diarrhea are spread by contaminated water. Again, I revise the answer of this question. Name some waterborne diseases caused by bacteria. When we drink water that is not clean, when we drink dirty water that have many bacteria, we fall in many diseases such like cholera, typhoid, jaundice, and diarrhea are spread by contaminated water. Contaminated water is dirty water. How virus and bacteria spreads and what are the causes of virus and bacteria? Students, some bacteria are useful for our body. We use some bacteria to make some things just as a yeast, yogurt, and to make some other foods. Some bacteria are useful for our body and some are harmful. Bacteria that are contained in dirty waters are harmful for our bodies, and if we drink the water that is contained bacteria, we fall many diseases such as cholera, typhoid, jaundice, and diarrhea due to the drink of contaminated water. I hope all the students understand these two questions. Now I write the next question. Which is question number 5. Question number 5 is name 3 diseases for which vaccines are available. Name 3 diseases. Name 3 diseases for which vaccines are available. In this question, we write the name of 3 diseases for which vaccines are available. Students, for some disease, we take medicines or we take antibiotics, but some disease which will be cured due to the vaccine. Some diseases are necessary. For some disease, vaccines are necessary. The disease which are caused due to the virus, that disease are cured by vaccines. vaccines are available. Vaccines are available for diseases like cholera, typhoid, and polio. Cholera, typhoid, and polio. Students, as you know that coronavirus is spread and coronavirus is also controlled by the vaccines. So some other diseases which are which should be cured by the vaccines, such like that cholera, typhoid, and polio. These three diseases vaccines are necessary, and these diseases are cured by vaccines. Okay, students. I hope all the students note down these questions. Now I write the diary. Science. Lesson number 2. Part C. Question number 3 to 5 is see work learned. Students, I play a video in which you see the different types of virus and bacteria. Draw a diagram. Diagram of bacteria. Is at work on your copies. Okay, students. I hope all the students note down the diary.